came. Look, Santa came and left you presents. Wow. Wow. Look at all your presents. Whoa. Oh, he ate the cookies. Santa ate the cookies and milk. Good job. You want to open your present? Can you open your present that Santa gave you? Go. Santa gave you 2 presents. Open it. Mommy help you. Now open it. Jacob, you open it?
Wait.
What did he get you? What is that? Huh? What did he get you? Let me see. Show Mommy.
Apple truck.
Yeah.
What was that?
He got you Mack truck?
Huh?
Open the other one.
Other one? What?
I don't know. What else did he get you? Dino King. Yeah.
Can you open it?
Yeah, you can open it. You want to open more presents, or you want to open that one?
That one.
There's more presents under the tree for you. No? You don't want to open?
I open.
No, not that one.
Eh?
That one, the one over there, the snowman one, over there.
Eh?
No, over on this side. Look at the snowman box.
Oh. Wait. Too hard. I'm going to put the blood Christmas. Oh, yeah.
You open that one?
Jake, I'll say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
I'll put that. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Papa.
I love you.
Merry Christmas.